Hello, YouTube. Welcome back to the Life of Tommy C. Today, what we are planning to talk about is radio frequencies and radio frequencies like on a toll road. Today's toll road we are going to be talking about is the Pennsylvania Turnpike. But first things first, we are going to talk about Erie, Pennsylvania. So the reason why that I want to talk about Erie, Pennsylvania, it's because it's a good area. They have good radio frequencies. They use a good variety of it. So if we look on here, we can see that 453.9500 is the Erie County Fire paging. 462.9625 is Mill Creek Township. These are their on-site frequencies. And this right here is their prison security. Now if we go on down, this is the emerge care right here. This is their what they call an ambulance. They have Erie County Medcom, Erie Hospital, Corey Hospital, Emerge Care Med Taxi, Stat Med Evac. And then after that, here's the city of Erie right here. And this is the county of Erie. And then this is Erie Metro Transit Authority. So right here's their dispatch and stuff. We see that's DMR. And if we click on Erie Next Generation Public Radio System, this is their fire and EMS right here. So they got County Fire East Dispatch, they got Fire Interrupt, Mill Crew, East Tactical, South Special, West Special. They got all their hospitals. They got Emerge Care Dispatch. These are your county services right here. These are like their interop. Their law enforcement is not reachable. Their law enforcement is like what we like to call in the radio scanner world as encrypted. Now, if we go on back, if we click on Perry Isle Downs, Perry Isle Downs is open at 0900 on 2/7/07. And this is what their system looks like right here. Their LCNR 97, 98, and 99. And if we go on back, we click on another good county, Elk County. Elk County is like a county fire dispatch. They have like fire ground 1 through 5, a landing zone coordinator, a fire police, Elkhart search and rescue. This is their EMS dispatch. This is their police dispatch. This is their hospital. This is their manufacturing. And if we click on Warren County, Pennsylvania, this is their fire dispatch right here. All these are their fire channels. This is their EMS med channel. These two are your hospital channels. And then this right here's like their local government. Here's like County Sheriff of Warren Police Dispatch, local government. Now, if we go on back, we click on, let's think, personnel, my buddy, Mr. Twister 24. This is his county, Dolphin County. This is their Countyman 9. This is their fire talk around. This is their county talk around. This is their emergency operations. This is Harrisburg Public Works. These are your schools. This is their university. And another one I can show you guys is the Hollywood Casino. Security operations, machine maintenance, food and beverage maintenance. And our frequencies are pretty much the same here in Indiana. So if we click on the South Central and Iraq, these are their police frequencies right here. We see half of these are digital and they're encrypted. These two are unencrypted. This one, this one, this one. Then this is their fire right here. Like give you guys like 1101 is their PD dispatch. 21001 is their fire dispatch all the way down to here. Their EMS only has 1, 2. These are their local government right here. Adams County, we see that they are using Project P25 Phase 2. And their fire and EMS is like all P25 Phase 2, so is their government, so is their local government. Adams County Interop. Franklin County Law Enforcement is all encrypted. Franklin County Fire and EMS is not. Okay, so that's pretty much that. So if we click on New York and click on their state police, this is their statewide, this is their mobile repeater. This right here is Troop A. Zone 1 HQ is in Niagara. Zone 2 is in Boston. Zone 3 is Jamestown. Zone 4 HQ. These are like their mobile to base right here. This one's Clinton County. This one's Topeka. Bordeaux. Capara, Milford, and then their New York City is right here. They use a Metro 25 MTA MERS, which this right here is their New York State Police. This is their New York Region, their New York City Channel 2, Police Citywide. This is their dispatch all the way down to Metro North. So if you guys think this video is so far interesting, make sure you guys give it a big thumbs up. And our video today is brought to you by IU Credit Union. You can enroll now at iucu.org, or you guys can call IU Credit Union at 1-800-ICU, your local opportunity employer. And I hope everybody enjoyed this video. If you guys have, my name is Tommy Cunningham. And just to show you guys what I did, I want to show you guys my room just a little bit and show you guys like how I cleaned it. You guys see this right here? I vacuumed up my floor. Plus also, I've been keeping that clean right there. I'll show you guys what I have. These right here are my video games. That's for personal use right there. These are. And then this down here, this is my award. I got this here from Stonemail. It's the Albert John Self-Advocate Award. And this next program, I want to call out my friends from Project Search because this is my Project Search Award. I got it done on November 19th, 2019. So to go on down, this is my radio. Down there is like down here is like my Bible and like my notepad. And on this, these are my favorite singers right here. This is Clayton Anderson, a local Bedford person. And this is my computer desk right here. This is what my mom got me when I first moved in here. And then these are two pictures that she made right here and right there. And then that one right there is what I got from my aunt. That over there, that GM thing, that's what I got from my mom's work. And also let you guys know, also, this blanket right here, I got from when I moved out of the group home in Bedford. So if you guys are watching, anybody from Lark, this is my shout out for you guys. And also, this is next year's YouTube plane right here. And this is our winter plane, which I already did what to wear. I'm already starting on the daily vlog. And snow day video, we'll probably do that lights under Louisville, but lights at the Brickyard, yes, because that's what I'm planning to do this year. So I hope you guys enjoyed my video today. And I also want to say that I'm starting myself a journal. If you guys have any journal ideas, make sure you guys put it in the comments below. Thank you. Have a great day, YouTube, and I'll see you guys tomorrow for tomorrow's video.